sa kadiliman, kay daming nalilinlang, landas na walang hanggang buhay, bukas sa nais mabuhay. Diyos ang pag-asa, ating karamay, siya'y laging kagapay. Maaasahan siya sa tuwina, katotohanang buhay sa Kanya. Lord, help me from falling away from You. Close the door to temptation. Give me faith to walk through. Turn away from the devil. I'm begging You, please. Lord, help me from falling away from You. Trust in the Lord with all your heart, and lean not on your own understanding. And all your ways acknowledge Him, and He will direct your path. But He won't let you down nor forsake you, and He won't leave you alone. You can depend on Him, my brother. He's the way, the truth, and life. But I've got no reason for living right, and there's no other way to forget. I know down deep inside me I'm a woman and have to change, but I've got no reason to quit. Sing with me. I've got no reason for living right, and there's no other way to forget. I know down deep inside me I'm a woman and have to change, but I've got no reason to quit. Yes, I've got no reason to quit. Uray nung ane.